Here we have a ratio question on recipes. We're told that Liz wants to make some shortcakes and she's going to use 25 millilitres of milk. We want to calculate how many shortcakes Liz is going to make. Well, we know that the recipe calls for 10 millilitres of milk, and that's going to make us 12 shortcakes. We have available to us 25 millilitres of milk. Well, how can I change my 10 into 25? If I double 10, I get 20, so that's double my 12 to give us 24 shortcakes. If I half my 10, I get 5. Half of 12 gives me 6. And now I can add these two answers together. 20 plus 5 gives me 25, and 24 plus 6 gives me 30 shortcakes. So I know that my answer here is going to be 30. In the second part of this question, I'm told about Robert, who has a set number of ingredients available to him, and we want to work out the greatest number of shortcakes he could make. Now, we know that we have 500 grams of sugar available. For every 12 shortcakes, we need 50 grams of sugar. So how many lots of shortcakes can we make? 500 divided by 50 tells us we can make 10 lots of 12 shortcakes. Let's just check for the others. We've got 1,000 grams of butter, and the recipe needs 200 grams of butter. So how many lots of the recipe could we make? 1,000 divided by 200 gives me 5 lots of the recipe. And in here, similarly, I've got 1,000 grams of flour divided by the 200 grams that I need for each lot gives me again 5 lots. And finally, I've got 500 millilitres of milk available, and I only need 10 millilitres of milk for each one, so I've got enough to make 50 batches. Now, I need an equal number of ingredients for each batch of cakes. Okay, so I've only got enough butter to make 5 lots of shortcakes. I've only got enough flour to make 5 lots of shortcakes. So I can't possibly make more than 5 lots of shortcakes. No matter how big these numbers are, I just don't have the butter or flour that I need. So I can make 5 lots of 12 shortcakes. 5 lots of 12 is 60, so my final answer here is 60 shortcakes.